Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick video all about KLARNA CREATOR, the affiliate marketing platform. I have been on there for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years now, which feels like a really good time to do a bit of a video, let you know how much I'm making on there, let you know if I think it's worth joining, and all that good stuff. I'm going to try and be really transparent in this video about, well, everything. Because quite frankly, what is the point of doing the video, making the information and not actually giving much information? Do you know what I mean? You know when people are like, oh, click on my video, click on my post, I'm going to tell you all about it. And then they tell you nothing. I'm not going to do that. You know what I mean? I'm going to actually tell you. So you will actually see screen grabs of my earnings. So be warned. Anyway, so KLARNA CREATOR, I joined about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. I joined it because I was like, I actually really like some of these brands that are on here, and I don't think they're using any other affiliate platforms. It was quite a new platform at the time. It was actually called Apparel. I think it was APPRL at the time, which I think was Apparel. I don't even know. Anyway, they quickly changed their name to KLARNA CREATOR because they were bought by Klarna. And yeah, they just keep adding new brands. They generally work in the fashion, beauty, lifestyle space. And they have really nice brands on there. They have everything from like Gucci to Matches, Net-a-Porter. They have really lovely luxury brands. And they also have some more high streety kind of stuff, premium high street, like And Other Stories, Free People, people like that. Do you know what I mean? They've got some good brands on there. So I'm going to quickly have a look and like name some of the brands that are on there so that you can have a look. And I will also name the commission percentages, because one of the things I really like about Klarna is I think their commissions are pretty generous. Do you know what I mean? Like if I sold a dress for £100, I'd make like £10. That's pretty good. Sometimes 15%, meaning I would make £15, which is actually quite good because some commission is more like 5%. So the money racks up much more quickly. You know what I mean? Anyway, so let's give you some examples. And Other Stories, 15% commission. Then we've got All Saints, 12%, Anthropology, 12%. Ashley Clark, Beauty Pie is good, 20%. Benefit, 20%. Bloom and Wildflowers, Bobbi Brown. Boohoo, 10%, very nice. Boots, 10%, pretty good. Also Boots, not on reward style / LTK, just so you know. What else have we got on here? COS, Charlotte Tilbury, 15%. Hello, thank you very much. Cult Beauty, up to 10%. Dolce & Gabbana, 12%. Dr. Martens, 10%. Estee Lauder, 12%. Fairfax and Favour, 10%. So it's pretty good commission, and like there are so many brands on here. Gucci, 15%. That's major. Harrods, 13%. Harvey Nichols, up to 15%. Like there's some good brands on here offering good commission. I really like that because you don't have to sell much for that commission to rack up, which is pretty good. Also, the commission, I think, on KLARNA CREATOR is higher than it is on other platforms. So you could sell, say, a dress on KLARNA CREATOR and make, I don't know, 12%, but say you sold that same dress through another platform, you might only make 5%, 8%. So actually per item, you're making more money, which means you're making more money overall. It just racks up quicker. So it's pretty good. So that is that, just so you know. And then next, I want to talk about gifting. This is really special and I think really interesting. So KLARNA CREATOR have this section on their website when you have an account with them called gifting. And basically you can have a quick look. I will share, let me actually put it on the screen recording. Here we go. Let's screen record for a second. Brands doing gifting at the moment. We have Ashley Clark, Beauty Pie, Benefit, Carrot London, Fairfax and Favour, Fit Flop, Free People. Damn, I love Free People. Monica Veneda, Steamery, Sweet Beauty, Urban Outfitters. Ooh, Urban Outfitters. Very nice. And that's just to name a few. So basically at the moment, you can say, go on the Free People website, find a dress you love. They have Selkie, by the way, amazing. And send that link 2 free people via the Klarna Creator website, and you could potentially get gifted that dress. Not only will you get given that dress for free, but then any items that you sell off the back of it, you will make. So for free people, you'll make up to 12%. So not only will you get a free dress, which is very nice, you'll get contact with a brand, which you might not have had before. Like, it might be a brand that you don't know how to get a hold of, and you'll make commission when you sell, you know, that dress, or I don't know, a top or whatever. So it's pretty good. So it is really nice to be able to get hold of brands, because quite frankly, there are so many influencers out there, and like, brands are just getting harder and harder to get in contact with, because they're getting so many requests, they get so many emails, they get so many DMs on Instagram. Sometimes if you DM Sometimes if you DM a brand on Instagram to be like, hey, are you doing any gifting? They're not even going to see it, let alone reply. So it's a good way to get hold of a brand. And also they can, at the back end, see if you're selling products and be like, oh, this girl's making money. Okay, we're going to send her a dress. She could potentially make a lot of money for us too, which is really good, because it kind of shows your worth, which is really cool. Sometimes you might request an item, get rejected. That has happened to me, but don't be put off. Just keep requesting, keep trying, keep requesting from different brands, and I'm sure you will get some. I have definitely had lots of yeses, but I've definitely had lots of no's as well, just so you know. Okay. Whew. So what else? It's easy to use. It's really, really easy to use. It's very easy to raise the links. You can do it on the website. You can do it as a plugin on the website, or you can do it through the mobile version of the website. Very, very easy, very quick, really good. Would recommend. I think I've done a video about how to grab the links on Klarna Creator, so do watch that video. If not, shall I just show you quickly? Let me just show you. Yeah, let me just show you quickly. It's really easy. So what you do is, here's my phone. I'm going to go to Free People. So let's open a tab and I will show you. You can see what I've been looking at, which is really embarrassing. Okay, and I'm just going to click on literally the first thing I see. Okay, here we go. I don't even know what this is. It is a belt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this link here. Then I'm going to go to Klarna Creator. And I am going to go to the top right hand corner where is there a plus button. Then it says either post or link. You want to go to link. Then you just paste the link. Sorry, I can't do it properly with one hand. Paste the link, press the return button, and it will pop up just like this. And you can get link. And there it is. And then just press copy, and then you can share it wherever you want. Your blog, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you want. So yeah, that is how easy it is. I'm going to turn off screen recording. So yeah, that is how easy it is to grab the link. And then what else? User-friendly, fast, efficient, good brands, good commission. What else? Oh yeah, I promised you I would tell you my earnings. A little bit nerve-wracking. So I'm gonna caveat all of this with, okay, so about 20 months, nearly 2 years ago, I had Mary. So I literally joined up when Mary was fairly newborn. So yeah, I joined up when Mary was a baby, and I haven't really been very active, if I'm honest. I haven't been sharing many links on Instagram. I haven't been writing many blog posts. I took a whole year off YouTube, and I've just generally not been very active on the social medias, on my blog, on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. And I've not been particularly good at sharing many links. I'm just going to put it out there. I have not been the most money-hungry influencer. I've shared the odd thing, not a huge amount. So I'm going to put that out there. I also haven't requested as many items for gifting as I should have done. I should be on there like every week requesting stuff to make content, and I have not been. I've been busy gardening with Mary. What can you do? Anyway, so I haven't not been a very good blogger. I have not been a very good influencer. I've not been a very prolific influencer. And I've not really been using the platform to its full capacity. However, I'm going to be honest, I have made this year, no, scratch that. I have made since I started, which was about 1.5 to 2 years ago, I have made in euros 4,560 euros. So I think that's pretty good. That is from a platform that is free to join. That is from products that I would be talking about anyway. And that is from, yeah, just affiliate commission. That is no sponsorship. That is no, I don't know, anything. Do you know what I mean? It's just literally, I'm talking about stuff I love. I've been sharing the link and boom, people have bought it. So it's basically, it's kind of passive income. It's not completely passive income, but it's pretty good. I think if I'd been on it a bit more, I would have made more money. I think if I'd been on it even less, I would have made less money. But considering I've not really worked in the last 2 years and considering I had a baby and I don't have any childcare either, I have no childcare. I have my mum who visits like once a month, once every 6 weeks, and helps me look after Mary. But apart from that, she's not in nursery. We don't have babysitters. We don't have anybody who comes around and helps me. Like, I promise you, I'm childcare free. So this is literally like the bare minimum of work that I have done. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased. In the last, year and a half, 2 years, I've made 4,560 euros, which is basically £4,560 because we're about 1-for-1 at the moment. It does take a couple of months for the money to clear and be sent to you, because the companies have to allow for time for the customer to return the item. So you won't like sell a dress and instantly get paid for that dress, but you will in a few months, and it's quite nice to just have the money dribbling in constantly. But I think it's pretty good. I really like Klarna Creator. If I wasn't into it, I wouldn't bother using it, but I think it's pretty good. The cookie period is like 28 days, which is good. It's easy to use. It's a nice platform to use. I love the fact they've got the gifting function. I really need to ask more brands via that gifting function to send me more stuff. Yeah, maybe when I've got childcare, who knows? Maybe when Mary's at school, maybe that's when. But anyway, yeah, so I really like it. I think it's really good. It's really user friendly. It's got great brands on there, really good commission rates. And yeah, if you're creating the content anyway, you may as well throw in the affiliate links, see what happens, because quite frankly, I am pleased to have that money because I don't have a job. So it's nice to have that money. So I hope this video is of help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.